Hello again. This is Rico of Solo Board Gaming Antondo. So as promised, I'll be playing the Voynich puzzle as solo. Now, the board has two side. This side is for multiplayer game, so there are no yellow number there. Unlike on the solo, there will be yellow number. So that is for the selection of the automa. So the AI is called Automa when you're playing a solo. So there will be a opponent, a virtual opponent. So okay, let me assemble all the puzzle before we start. Uh, okay, so the board is now set up for 2 players. So the red one is a neutral player, but it doesn't do anything. It's just blocking some actions that you could not do, and maybe some helping you to achieve some actions that you wanted to do. Uh, I am green on this. No, no. I'm playing yellow, and my opponent is green. So he is Voynich, and this is his deck. So this will decide what he's going to do. Perfect. And this is now my book, and this is book. So I'm playing in normal. So normal difficulty. So the scores is final score. There will be no modifiers. Unlike in easy, all knowledge tracker, as we discussed, all this knowledge tracker will be -5. On normal, whatever the knowledge tracker is, that is his point. So the only difference in playing Automa, at the start of his turn, he will upgrade the page to level 2, level 3, or level 4. So it does not have this magnifying glass. So one more difference. So when you put a puzzle on with regards to the Automa, he will score the points. Okay, so it will be much more faster playtime than an ordinary person. Especially, it doesn't care what's. But the whole rules will take effect, but the selection of his action will determine this number. So any lower than the number of that one will be his decision where he placed the token. And this picture will tell you what action he will do. This puzzle will tell you how he will place the puzzle that you have achieved. So let's say you place it on let's say this is a group of 4. So actually it's a group of 3, because the recommendation for this one is 3. So you put the puzzle that you have on the same color of the color that you have. You will not follow the colors of what it says here. No, you will just only a reminder to you that you place a puzzle on a group of that. And then the circle means you will place the puzzle within the circle. And again, he will score points. Okay, so I think I'll start now. Let me review first on my book so I can strategize. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do. My strategy is I will focus on astrology, because this one is a good one. Astrology, wait. No. what will make my, yeah, I think astrology. I need to pump my astrology token so that this will benefit me. Is that correct? Let me look. Astrology. That will be botany and no. So that will be botany and yeah. Oh God, this is quite hard. Wait. So okay, I'll pick bat as my action. So I get a drop here. So I place the drop in here. So that will be 2 points. So I get my bat. Then I earn a blue token, a blue puzzle. So I place it on letter L, Hijkl. Mhm. There you go. Now it's Voynich's turn. So he will do a astrology. Okay, astrology. So we will know on this number we will tell if this is an odd, he'll do this side. If this is an even, he'll do this side. But again, before he start, he will upgrade first the page. Then he will do this action. So first, he will place a star. So it's 11. So let's see which is the nearest here in 11. That will be on 7. Problem, there's already a star. So, here. So we'll place a star here. And he will move the land times 2. Wait, let me verify on that one. Okay, he will gain the reward. So that's 2 movement. So again, that's 11. That is green. So the most, this one. So that will be 2 movement. So that will be 1 and 2. Okay. So this gives him a reward again. Place a star. So we have now 7, 22. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. It should be on this side first. I'm sorry. So this side first. That's gain 1 score on green. And then the next, I'm sorry. So this should be the first one, not the 7, because this is the lowest. Okay, so he will not place anymore. Only 1 star. Then he moves his knowledge token to 2. That will be this one to 2 here. So he gains a yellow. Okay, now, so place that on a group of 3 yellows. Right now there's no group of 3, and it should be also orthodoxly following the rules, so it should be placed connecting on the middles as it says here in the rules. So let me read it. So placement, normal puzzle placement with checking progress. Okay, so there's no yellow. Where's the nearest one is I could choose. Maybe to put it here, but I don't like it because it will score B. I could select him to put it here. Yeah. So this is O. Okay. Then let's place it there. So that's 2 points. I'm sorry, this is no score a while ago. So this is 2 points. 1, 2. So 2 points here. Then this one. Yeah. I'm sorry. 1, 1, 2. Okay. So that is his turn. We will leave it like that so we will know what did he did. Now it's my turn. I will go here. I remember I just placed this one here. I can move my magnifying glass for the last piece that I placed. Yeah. Okay, so I upgrade this one. So that is the score of 2. 1, 2. I upgrade this puzzle. And now I could choose this one to move my knowledge token botany to 3. That's 1, 2, 3. And I gain a green one. Okay. Then I can move I need more magnifying glass here. So I have one move. I'm selecting this one as 1 to put a magnifying glass. This was removed already. To put another one. Okay. So now I have green. Let me think. Where should I put the green? Is there a possibility of green? Yeah, there is it. I can place it here or here. Yeah, I could place it here. This one. Give me a green. Give me a letter D. I'll be saving. Okay. I can relocate the magnifying glass. So again, I just put it back here so I would know what was my last. So it's Voynich's turn again. So it's Voynich's turn. So let's see what he's going to do. He will do writing. Okay, so let's go to writing. So it's even. So this side will upgrade. So he will perform action where he upgraded. So we will do a writing. So he said put a text marker. So this is the first one on the list. So where should it be placed? 26. So which is nearer? I can place it 1, 8, 15, 20. We will start on the list. That is 1. We will put it here. So that will give him a score of 5 writing knowledge token. So we get his token. So that will be 5. Here, he will gain a puzzle. And now he will flip this one. This will be flipped. He will gain 7. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. Then again, another puzzle for him. So that is 2 puzzles. This is now finished. Now we will look where he will put those puzzle pieces. It says here, a group of 2. So let's see. Since I can decide where he will place them, of course, I will tell it to place on 1. So again, the first puzzle should be placed on 0. Is there a 0 here? Yes, there's a 0. Mhm. So this scores him 2 points. 1, 2. And another one, maybe here. Yeah. L. H-I-J-K-L. So this will score him another 2 points. 1, 2. Okay, so he's done. And now it's our turn. Okay. I could go with this to upgrade myself and to steal that leap. Yeah, let's upgrade. So this is 4. So 2 plus 4, that's 6. Let me upgrade this one. Okay, I'll choose the leap. So that's 1 victory points. And I choose a leap here to place it here. So what do I need right now? I could select this one to gain 3, 3. Oh, that's okay. Let's go with this guy. So that is remove the gold. So that will be 3 points. How many movement? 3. And we move it again. That is 6 plus 4. That is 10. And the last movement. So we got 10. Let me go with my knowledge tracker. So that is 5. I gain a yellow. And another 5. I gain another yellow. Quite interesting. I can pursue. The problem is, I don't have the pieces. That's a problem. But let me look where can I make them so I can achieve. Oh, this is interesting. I could place it here. Yeah, or here. Yeah. Uh-huh. I would like it to be here. Okay. So let's place it 1 here and 1 here. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, it's the best thing. No, here. Okay. K. Is K available? And letter N is available. Okay, so I did this one. Okay, let's open that one. Now, I'm sorry, I thought this guy doesn't move yet. I'm yellow. Okay, it's now green's turn. So let us see. It's writing, so it will not do it again. Let's pass. So this one is astronomy. Astronomy. So let's do with astronomy. So he will upgrade and add. So again, he will upgrade this one. It's making much more powerful. Okay. So let us try how he will do it right now. So it says here, he will place a star. So what is the selection? That will be 9. Let us see. So here is 1. So he could place a star on the leftmost. Yeah. So that will be 2 points. Wait, is that 2 points? Let me check, huh? Mm-hmm. So in this regard, what is the number? Every kind of this icon, he will just gain 1 victory points. Yes, that's 1. Then move to 3. So he will move this marker to 3 from 2. That's 5 already. Okay, and then 1 more victory points. And that's it. So did he gain any tokens? I don't. I think he did not. Okay, so let's move it here up. Now it's our turn. So we have yellow, but uh, we need magnifying glass. So I think we need to move them also. One of my plans is to move it here. So let me look on my... Oh, it's okay. We get this one. I'll get my more. I need 1 movement, of course. Maybe I select this one. Yeah. So that 2. That's 1, 2. Yes. And I have 2 movements. I could let this guy stay this one. So this will be upgraded later. Yeah. It matches. Yes. And this guy, to match this one. Okay, let's do this way. To make this one, I will move this guy. So I'm beyond the tree. And then 1 more move for this guy. This will put to this center here to achieve this one. No. So 1 and this one 2. Okay. So I did a writing. Let's place it that way. And now it's Voynich's turn. So he will do a recipe. Let's see if he can do this one. So it's 33. It's an odd. So this will be upgraded. Okay. So this will be followed. Says here, put a leap. Let's gain the victory points. So it will not be yeah. And gain the leap. So we will take a leap. This is his leap. Going to the next. So what is the selection? The selection is 33. So the least one is here. We will place it here. Okay, sorry for that commotion. Here's very noisy. So 333. So this will go here. It means 2 stars. To place 2 stars on the writing. Yeah. Let's follow that one. So we're still on 33. So this cannot be possible. This is possible. So that's 2 knowledge tracker. Where's this knowledge tracker? That's 2. 1, 2. 1 victory points. Okay. And the other one will be here. So that will be one big one knowledge tracker again, because the star, and one victory point. And I think that's all for the automat to move. And now it's our turn. Hmm, this is quite good, my friend. I can upgrade both. Mhm. But I think I would like to upgrade this side. So I choose this one. Maybe this one. Much better. Yeah. So it means any color with two groups. So if I remove it here, that's 2 points. 1, 2. And I remove that. And I upgrade this one. Wait. Do I like to put... or should I do this one? Wait. I don't like to put that one. 1, 2. I would like to do this. Yeah. This one. Yeah. So that's 2. Okay. So now, I would like to have water. Let me plan what I like to movement next. I could have that. Hmm. Mhm. I could have that. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, again. Okay. I choose to do this. So 2 points for the bat. Where's my bat? It's 1, 2. And put a here. No, because this will move. Just get this one to push this. So that's 2 more. 1, 2. And this will push there. And 1 magnifying glass. So this will benefit this one, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all for me. Yes. Now it's Voynich turn. So he will do a writing. Let's see. Writing. So this is an odd. So he will perform this one. Knowledge Tracker 2. That's 1, 2. And then he will place this one. This is 27. 8, 8. So this will be placed here. So 1 knowledge. And that's it. He gained a red one. So, what is the combination? It should be 3. You can put it here. K or H. That's 4. This is 3. Oh, let me just put it here. H. So that's 3 points for him. One, two, three. Yeah. And that's it. Now, for me, I could go. Let me think. Let me think. I don't have any more leaves. I don't have a star. Do you have a star? No, I don't have a star. Yeah, I can do this. Do I have a yellow there? Ting, 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 ting. But I need a blue. I need a blue. Uh, huh. So that's three. Is there a back points here? Oh, this is okay. I'll push this one to get blue. Yeah, I'll push that one. So I use this action. I get a triangle. So this is valid. Yep. Then put a drop here. Okay. So that will be choo-choo train. That will be 2 points. 1, 2. And another 2 points. 1, 2. So I got a blue. Yeah. And then I'll place it on letter O. Is O still available? Oh yeah, it's still available. Place it here. And then I place my magnifying glass there. Okay. Now it's Voynich's turn again. So he will do a botany. So it's an even. This will be upgraded. He will perform first a drop. So where's the nearest one? So this is 8. So 21. So it will be placed here. So that will be 4 botany. He will gain a. And then move 1. So well, this is the only thing that he can move. That's 3. The 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And I think that's it. He will place this on 2. Yeah, this is possible. Maybe here. Oh, yeah. Oh, available today. Yes. So that's 2 points. 1, 2. Thank you. Now it's my turn. Yep. So I will go with this one. I will upgrade 2 positions. So 1, I'll take no points from that one. This is 2 points. 1, 2. And that's okay for me. And then I upgrade this to the much more powerful page. So it says here, even though I don't like what's happening, what I could do right now is to put a lid for preparation. And that's it. I didn't gain anything. So I took a botany, put place a lid only. Now, his turn. He will take a bot section, so it will upgrade the right side. Bot section upgraded. Okay, he will place first this one, that's 23. This will be movement. Okay, no, since 23, this will go first. It's the least one, so this will be push. Tap, 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 two, two. That's 4 points for me. Where's my bat? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 points for him, for the bat. He will gain a blue. Yeah. And then, I think, gain a blue. This will convert to leaf anywhere. So this will convert to leaf. So that's 6. Wait. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. He gains a green, a blue. So place it like this one. M. So that's 4 points. He's actually very, very leading. My turn. I need binoculars. Yeah, technically, I need binoculars. So let me look what I can get. Let me see. I could go with the bat to remove something here. But this will not give me any binoculars. Does has a binocular here? Wait, did I get the 3 points? Maybe, yes, there's a binocular that I could place. Let me think. I need a binocular. Yeah. Or I need a drop. Previously, what I have done, I've done a botany, so I cannot do a botany. But I need a binocular. So, is there a drop here that I can place a drop to botany? Well, there is one. No. Ah, this guy. Place 3 drop. No, that's not it. Is. I want a drop. Ah, here it is. A drop. So that's 1 and 2. Okay. I'll go with the recipe. Ah, yeah. Very good. So this one. So I go with X, and I get the star. I get this star. Then I place it here. It means I get to place 2. I place it here, giving me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I place it here to give me 2. Let me look. What will be my next one? This is good. This will be upgraded as well. Yeah. Okay, so that's my turn. Now let's go with Voynich turn. He will do writing. Let's clear this one. So what side? Uneven. Okay, place first a token. So what is that's 30. 30. Hmm. 28. Okay. Let me look on how this will be placed. Okay. I was wrong. So when choosing, a, it should be on the least one. Okay. So this is 30. It says there that this is what should he be doing. So that's one victory points. And 4 knowledge dropper. Okay. And then he will flip that to, so 1 victory points again. And that will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And 1 more victory points again. Okay, so that is his turn. Did he gain a puzzle? No, he didn't gain any puzzle. That's good. Now I'll go to botany section. I think I can do this. I could do this without scoring. But, no. That's 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. I could not do that. Let's look where I can place more. It's quite interesting. Uh huh. Okay, let's do this. I can do this. Let's say this one. This meets the criteria. Hmm. We have still more here. Yeah. And where's my knowledge token? Ah, there's a writing token. Okay. I need more. More. Mhm. I could place it here and gain that one. That's three. Yeah. One, two. Are there three more here? Hmm. Yeah, I think I'll do this. So one and three. Where's my knowledge? I get the red one. And one more thing. Flip. I like to flip. Hmm. This is quite hard to do. Hmm. Okay, let's flip this one. Or this one. No, let's flip this one. So that's five. One, two, three, four, five. And then one more. And I think I could do this. So this guy is on the four. So that's no problem. I'm okay. So what I done is this. Now to place this one. This is quite tricky. Yeah. So I think I go place M. M here. Is there an M? Red M. Okay, that's good. That's good for me. Here. Okay, so he will do a astronomy. So he will upgrade this one. And then perform one movement of the cow. So that will be 3, 7. 7 stars on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a yellow and place a star. So I should remove this one. 10. 1. Yeah. So this is possible. So that's one victory point. And then this one. follow 2. Hmm. L is okay. That's 2 points. 1, 2. L. Okay, so how many hours are now we are doing? Mm-hmm. So let this be here. Okay. And now we do our thing. I could do this. This is 1 and this is 2. Yeah. So no score here. This will score 4 and that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll upgrade this one. Ah, no, 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 no. This one. I need hmm. This is quite okay. Okay. Uh, Let me move. I'll get this one. Okay. Uh-huh. So you place this token. So what will be my next move? Or this one. Yeah. I choose this one. So 2 magnifying glass. Then movement of 2. What I can do is to have that. That's 1, 2. This and this. Yeah. Okay. Uh, I've done that. This will be push. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So I got the blue. Wait. J. Maybe I choose this one. Ah, no. Since I have 1, 2 here, yeah, that's okay. And this will be placed here. Yeah, that's okay. So I did a bat. Yeah, so that's okay for me. Recipe. Okay, he will get a drop. This is only the available drop. Uh-huh. And place it where? 36. Here. Let's move one victory point for him. And then this, he will place 3 tokens on the sun. Let's start with this one. Okay, so on the sun, that will be 3 points. Where's the knowledge token? Where's knowledge? Is this knowledge? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. He gets a red. This is complete. So that's again 1, 2, 3. And he will remove this one. So he will place it here. That's 1 victory points. And then 2. 1, 2. Oops. We need to replace this one. And then 4 again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the yellow for her. Then last. I forgot this one. So that's 1 victory points. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the most devastating part. So we will place it on 3 different colors. Let me look. Should be so yellow should be placed on 3 different colors. Adjacent to 3. This is adjacent to 3. L. 2 points. It's the L. H, I, J, K, L, red, J, K, L. There's no L. H, I, J, K, L. No L. How about this one? H. H has only no again. How about it's quite hard. So if there's no adjacent color with 3 different, I could choose where will he place those. Is there a letter K? No. No K also. There's no K and L. Is there a G? There's a G here. There's a G. So that's 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a J. An H. J. That's 5 points again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh God, he's winning now. Okay, so what did he do? This one. Now it's my turn. I could go with this one. So let me move to okay. I move this one. So botany 3. 1, 2, 3. I gain a green one, and then one movement. One bonus point. So that's one magnifying glass. Then I can move to 2. 1 and 2. Then I'm gonna break. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 2. 1, 2. So this is fully upgraded. I think I need to go with the stars. I need to upgrade my stars. I need to upgrade the stars. Okay, that's okay on my side. Let's go with Voynich. So, but okay, so he will upgrade this side. Wait, I forgot to put this one. Green. Wait. I should put a green. Is there available L? Yeah. But 20. Okay, so he will put a choo-choo train. 1, 2. That's 2 points for you. The back 1, 2. He gets a blue. And then 4 points for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does 4? Astrology. Hmm. Then convert this to leap. This will be push. So that's 12 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's another blue for him. Then one victory point. Okay. So what is the requirement? Put it on a 2. Group of 2. Is there available K here? K. An H. No. An F. An H. That will be 3. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Is there available? It's D. A, B, C, D. Yeah. That's 4 points. Oh, he's winning. I should do a star movement. But my stars are not good. Six. Hmm. Let me think. Or I could go with the usual. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Or I need a star. What points should I do to put many points on stars? I think I go with the back one. Okay, I'll do this one. That's 4. I have back here. Oh, but will not score anything. This is crazy. Okay, I need three. Okay, I need three. I need three. What do I have here? Okay, so this will be placed here. That's three knowledge. One, two, three. I get the red one. And then I flip. I flip this one. That's not good. Yeah, I put one. Okay. Put one here. Yeah. And I flip this one. Put two more. And move three. One, two, and three. Then knowledge. Remove the two. And three. Maybe G. G will do. Or B. There's no B. C. C will do. Okay, so his turn now. Bob. No. Astrology. Is this astrology? Yeah, astrology. It's an event. Okay. Movement. One. So that's 3 points for this star. 1, 2, 3. Put one star. No more star here. Here. And move plant. Actually, you cannot move a plant. There's no plant there. Then one victory point. So he doesn't gain anything. That's good. I I can still move. Got writing. I go with the stars. I upgrade these two. So that's 2 and 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I upgrade this one to star. That's 2 again. 1, 2. Then I can place a star. I can place it here to gain 3 points. Star will have 3. 1, 2, 3. Another 3. And 2 movement. I cannot do that. But I could place 1 drop. Have no more drops there. Take this drop. And that's 2 points. 1, 2. And that's all I have. So Voynich will do a bat. That's an even. Oh, this is level 4. Okay, we will do this one. So that's okay. 1, 2. That's 6 points for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, a bat token here. And he gains 2. Back. 1, 2. He adds 1 more. Wait. This will push. This will push here. Nothing happens. This will push. That's 4 points for me. 2 points for him. Again, he will push it 1 more further. That's 4 points for me, 4 points for him. 4 points. So he gained 1 puzzle. This will change to leap. That's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And 1 victory point. I think we'll be on the ending now. So blue, A, G, 5, maybe M. Is M available? No. Is D available? No. Is this is 6. Is G available? Yeah. So that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that triggers the end of the round. I have one more point to go. So what did I did last time? So I did an astronomy. What do I need? The star is okay. I think I need the star. I'll do this one. Okay, I'll do this one. Huh? One victory point. Then I'll get a star. Place it here. So this will convert to. I need 2. So okay, I'll do this first. Get 1. Then move 2. 1, 2. Okay. And then place 1 any on the board. So that's 1 conversion. And one more. Where's my knowledge? Oh, I could get that. So I'll do this. So this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's red. And I get one more. I will place this one in letter. Is E available? Yeah. E. I place it here. And then I will do an upgrade. So this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is upgraded. That's okay. That's my final turn. Okay, so we will do his final turn. Writing. He will upgrade this one. Okay, so 2 knowledge tracker. One, 2, and 2. Where are the others? So that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 1. And 4. 1, got a red. So group of 3. Is G available? Is K available? No. Is H available? No. Is I available? Yes. So that will be 6 points for him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Final scoring. So I have 1 here. This is 3 divided by 2. That's 1.5 round down. That's 1. Okay, let's score first with the sunrise. Times 4. Where's my sunrise? The value of my sun is 3. That will be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that is for sunrise. Next, bat, that's times 2. My bat value is 9, so that will be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, next is writing. My writing value is 3. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Last is botany. It's only 2. And the final one, I will choose the sun. 3 times 2, that will be 6. 4, 5, 6. Final score is 90 on my side. I could go with the easy. If I go with easy, let me compute. Where's his sun? Okay, let's go with the easy. So easy, that will be minus 5. So easy, it says here 5 space backwards. So let's score now. Easy level. Sun is now on. His sun value is 4. 4 times 9. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bat value is 8. That's 16 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16. And another 16. Brutal. His knowledge is 9 times 4. That is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14. 24. 34. Brutal. Botany has no points. And of course, writing has 9 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Bat has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the final score is 151 to 90. I lost from Voynich. So, and take note, this easy level. I forgot to no excuses. So there you go. That's a solo playing in the Voynich puzzle. So if you like what you have seen, hit that like button and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gaming of Tondo saying goodbye for now.